Shihaigu, an arid land in northwest China's Ningxia Wui Autonomous Region, was labeled the most unfit place for human settlement by visiting experts from the United Nations in the 1970s due to drought and fragile ecological environment. Shihaigu's Pengyang County was once an impoverished county due to frequent drought and fragile ecology. Most natives used to feed on wheat because the crop is cold and drought-tolerant. Since its establishment in 1983, Pengyang County has always adhered to the principle of ecological county and continued to carry out soil erosion control.
彭阳就是从建县以来，就是有一个长远的规划，就是这个过去生态这方面是个短板，是个薄弱环境。那么从建县以后，你的持之以恒的治理，这就是。
In the past 38 years, Pengyang County has carried out measures such as transforming mountains into cultivate forests, returning farmland to forest and grassland, and building horizontal terraced fields, aiming at protecting water and soil resources and improving the ecological environment. Today, the ecology of Pengyang County has been greatly improved.